Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have two very cool character art sets by Sasatoya, an icon pack of 50 RPG books. Now this next news could be big or a dud. I'm not sure because all my time is spent finding news and not researching it. We have a sort of interview article from Crunchyroll about the release of an official English translation of a popular Japanese game. Its original title is Ruina Haito no Monogatari, while its translated title is Ruina Fairy Tale of the Forgotten Ruins. This game was made back in 2008 using RPG Maker 2000. And this article suggests that in the Japanese indie scene, this game is compared to the likes of Yume Nikki, Ib, and Cave Story. Now, is that a bold claim? Is this game truly as good or as popular in Japan? I have no idea. Perhaps some of you can let me know. I have not played any of these to keep my own games uninspired from them. The English version of Ruina, Fairy Tale of the Forgotten Ruins, is free and available to download. Dejika published a visual novel themed music pack which includes 25 tracks of background music. Another music pack by Void One Gaming with 20 tracks of action themed music. Next we have an MV plugin by Satori that allows us to change enemy stats in battle. An MZ plugin by Munokura that moves and offsets the message window by pixels. A new update for RPG Maker MZ has been released, version 1.2.1. One important update being that you can now, again, open multiple instances of MZ on the Steam version. An animated sprite of a Bloodmoon tower by Creative Kind. A drill robot by Itanara. And in this last news for today, Flare Blitzed is an active Let's Player who plays RPG Maker games. The news bit is that he made a second tier list video ranking 40 RPG Maker horror games. And as he lists them one by one, he tells us what he liked about each game and what he disliked, what made certain games stand out to him and what made him stop playing others. It's a great video for devs of these sort of games to understand what a player likes and dislikes. With that said, consider today's news delivered. Be sure to check out Ruina and make use of the awesome resources shared in today's video. And I will see you in the next report.